Yo, we're back with another episode of Wake Up with Wops. The Fed cut rates 25 basis point, which is expected. The market's actually reacting pretty well to this. Look at this. The market likes confirmation, and now that it is confirmed, 25 basis points, we're kind of breaking out of this like flag range here. We'll see how it really plays out within the next couple of days. I think that's really when you're going to see the Fed reaction. Got to give it a couple days. The QQQ, same, breaking out of a little flag. It's looking pretty strong. We entered into two stocks though, new entries, one on the home building side and the other one more of a small cap. We're going to get into the home building first, which is ITB. You're going to see here, ever since the rate cut news, ITB has been doing well, up almost 3% as the ETF fund. You can also see here that it respected the 200-day moving average, which is our long-term trend, and above the short-term trend, the 9 EMA. So I'm really liking the ETF. That's why I entered into Toll Brothers. Another reason why I entered into Toll Brothers is because it had earnings recently and it gapped down from this candle to this candle. But then right after that gap down, I believe it was 6% gap down in the pre-market. Buyers stepped in and look at that strong reaction in the past 2 days. Today above the 9 EMA. This is a home builder that is in the ITB ETF. And when we zoom out, you can see here kind of like a cup in handle. I'm really liking it above the 200-day average. So it didn't get that deep pullback like how ITB did. You see how it pulled back to the 200-day average, even went below that. So that's very important to see that a stock in this ETF is kind of outperforming the ETF. IWM, these are our small cap stocks. We talked about it in the past video. Go check that out. So you can see here breaking out of a 3-year base, and small caps tend to do good in the end of the year in December. So we entered into a quantum computing play called IONQ. We traded this before, so I liked it, and we had it on watch since it's deep. Pulled back all the way to the 200-day average, which recovered that, and then now above the 9 EMA and 20-day moving average. We're looking good, anticipating a move back to the 70s, and then maybe have the stop loss a little bit above the 200-day average. It's a mental stop, so if anything, maybe a little bit below that 200-day average where that could be potential support. Quick video, just wanted to share with you guys my two new trades and why I took them. Peace.